channel. So today we are actually doing an ab workout in the middle of the booty challenge. Yes, we are. I know our main focus for the next 30 days is growing the booties, but abs are still important. We should not forget about these bad boys. So I've got a quick little ab workout that you can do today. It's gonna work out your core. You're gonna really feel it burning in these. All right, we're gonna start off with the first exercise, which is it's kind of like a mountain climber, but we're gonna do it nice and slow. So you're gonna get on your hands and knees right here, and you're gonna slowly bring your knee in to the opposite elbow and come back. So we're gonna do 20 in total. So opposite knee to opposite elbow, come back. Keep going. Keep your back straight. This is 10. Whew, 14. Almost there. And 20. Ooh, that was a killer, especially when you go slow and you really feel it burning in your abs. So we're gonna go ahead and flip over for the next exercise. Next up, we've got toe touch crunches, or as I like to call them, ankle touch crunches, because, instead of just touching your toes, we're gonna try to go for the ankles. So you have to like crunch even a little more. So let's do 20 in total. This is 10. Take a breather if you need it. Oh man, my abs are feeling it. Let's do 10 more. Really squeeze your abs. Woo! 4 more. And 20. And come back down. Dang, I feel that in my upper abs. Whoa. Next, we're going to be doing some leg raises. These are amazing for the lower abs as well. So the trick here is that you're not going to go so low that your back gets off the floor. Okay, so we're not doing this, where we kind of just let everything go. You have to keep your abs engaged the whole time, and only lower your legs up until the point where you feel like you can't go any lower, and then come back up. So you see how my back stays more or less flat on the floor? So I'm not going all the way. I'm going just slow enough, coming back up. So let's do 20 in total. So go down, come back up. Go. You squeeze your abs. This is 5. Woo. Keep your feet together. And 10. 10 more. Oh my god. Hello? Sorry about that on my phone. Let's do 10 more. Let's go. 15. 16. And 20. Woo! Alright, catch your breath. We have got 2 more exercises. Alright, so next up, we have got a bicycle crunch with a pulse. This one is intense, girl, okay? So we're doing opposite elbow. We're gonna make sure the girls don't fall out. Opposite elbow to opposite knee. We're gonna pulse here. So pulse. Switch and pulse. So 20 in total. Going. And 20. Oh man. Whew. We are going to be doing, I guess you can also call these toe touch crunches, but we're not going up, we're touching our toes down here. So staying up the whole time. You're going to move from side to side. Heel touches, that's what these are called. So here you're not coming up and then coming back down. You're staying engaged the whole time by staying up. So keeping your crunches, keeping your abs crunched. You're gonna go from one side to the other. We'll do 20 in total. Keep your head neutral. Try not to straighten your neck. Let's go halfway there. And 20. Come back down. Woo! All right, so that was today's super short little ab workout, and I like to make the workouts short but effective because I feel like you're much more likely to squeeze a workout in, especially if you're on time, when you know that it's not gonna take like super duper long. If you have some extra time in your schedule, I would suggest to repeat this whole circuit 1 or 2 more times, to do it 2 or 3 times total to really hit the abs good. But something is always better than nothing, so if you can do this once, you are still doing great. Alright guys, so if you want to check out my Kenzie device that I talked about in the beginning of this video, the link is in my description. Don't forget to take advantage of that Black Friday sale. It is the perfect time to buy pretty much anything. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.